Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crypto Prince, aka C Prince, and in today's video we're just going to talk about Elrond, which is e-gold, and then we're also going to talk about Mahadao or Mahadao, however you pronounce it. We're going to talk about that today. It's a token sale that's coming up, or IDO as they would call it now. Okay, so let's just get straight into the price action of the day. So we see Bitcoin at 19,394, up 1.5%. We see Ethereum at 585, up 1%. XRP down 4.9%. We see Bitcoin Cash down 7 up. We see Bitcoin Cash up 7%. We see Litecoin up 2%. Chainlink up 1%. Cardano up 2%. Polkadot up 5%. And Binance Coin up 1%. Let's take a look at the biggest winners of the day. Biggest winners: Bitcoin Cash up 7%, Elrond up 8%, Engine Coin up 5%, Loopring up 5%, Polkadot up 5%. Let's take a look at the biggest losers of the day now. So biggest loser of the day, we're seeing XRP down 4%, and Monero down 2%, Falcon down 1%. Not really any big losers of the apart from XRP, and that's not really a big loss today. So just take a quick look on the charts. This is the BTC chart. As we can see, this is the first time we see Bitcoin for this bull run. We see Bitcoin coming up to these levels, 19,000. So this is a resistant line. It came up to here. It wicked out on the 1 hour chart. It wicked out again, came back down, and we didn't see it break this line. It never break this line. So this is a good line of resistance right now. We see it touch it, went back down here. And we see it came up all the way to this supply area, and now we're seeing it it went and retested it, and now we're seeing a second retest. So we're going to see if it breaks or not, but this is a good resistance line. So what we're looking for, ideally, we're looking for this to break and for it to close above this line, and also form a few candles above this line and close over this line. And when we also see that on the 4 hour and the daily, that's a very bullish indication. So we need it. So as we can see, this is the previous levels that it wicked above, but with this one it closed above it, but it didn't form a new candle wasn't formed and closed above this resistant line. So hopefully we can see this on this turn. We can see a close above this line and also a few candles form above this line, and that's a very bullish indicator. So keep your eyes on this level, which is a 19,550 mark, 560 mark. Keep an eye on this level because this is a major resistance level right now. First news of the day, talk about Elrond. So we're excited to announce that eGold will join the list of cryptocurrency available in the eToro ecosystem by listing on eToro X. eToro is a rapid growing global 2.5 billion unicorn that offers digital asset management services for more than 15 million users who can trade on stocks, commodities, forex and cryptocurrency markets. So basically eToro is a platform where you can trade, where you can buy assets. You can basically access it from your mobile. It makes investing in the financial market very easy, very simple. I've used the platform a few times and it's very user friendly. So yeah, this is a nice news for eToro, and it goes down to say the rapidly maturing cryptocurrency markets are expected to easily surpass the $1 trillion global capitalization and continue to develop following a rapid adoption trajectory. In its 10 years of existence, Bitcoin has proven that cryptocurrencies are secured and can serve an important purpose in the internet economy. Elrond opens up a new frontier, offering internet scale blockchain performance and an intuitive application called MAHA, through which we aim to bring the next billion people to the blockchain space, said Benjamin Minku, Elrond Network CEO. So basically Elrond is basically looking to bring the next million people to the blockchain space, and they're looking to, and I would say Elrond is a very good start, because Elrond is a company that's in the current world right now, as we, so to speak. It's not on the blockchain world. It's linking with institution, is linking with investors in the current world that's got big money right now, and also it's got and also small money can use it. Small retailers can use it as a platform to buy gold, to trade forex. So basically it's a very good app right now. It's a very good platform to basically for Elrond to use, and for Elrond to use the leverage to bring more awareness to the crypto space, and in return bringing more awareness to them, because I believe that they have the major cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin, like the Ethereum, like the XRPs. Elrond offering their services to this platform, so the people that normally use this platform on a daily basis will get access to trading and buying Elrond. So that's the only could be a bullish news for Elrond, as what you see their plan is with this platform to bring the next billion people in the blockchain space. Elrond Ego cryptocurrency will debut in the eToro ecosystem on Wednesday 23rd of December, when it become available on the eToro X currency exchange. So guys, look out for this one. If you're an investor in Elrond, look out for this one. Basically lots of new guys are going to be flocking into Elrond, because simply for the fact that they normally use eToro, and eToro is going to basically give them access. If you're supposed to buy Elrond now, it's a bit of a long process if you don't understand cryptocurrency. If you don't know how to use the exchanges, it's a bit of a long process to get your head, to wrap your head all around how to get Elrond. But if it's on a system where you're used to, where a majority of people are using it, Elrond has over 50 million users, right? So lots of people are using this app, lots of people are using this platform, so this will only bring more awareness to Elrond as a cryptocurrency. So on the 23rd of December is when it's going to happen, right? So ideally, whenever a new coin get listed on a new exchange or on a new platform, that spikes the price. So be watching Elrond. This could potentially be an easy flip, probably a 2x or a 3x just by launching on a new platform. Now this is not financial advice, but I can see this is a good thing for Elrond, right? And it also could show in the price as well. On to the next news. So we see DeFi protocol Mahadao announced IDO on PokerStarter. Mahadao, a stablecoin platform for cryptocurrency collateralization and issuance, has announced details of its initial DEX offering IDO. The event will be hosted on PokerStarter, the Polkadot DEX, for cross-chain pools on December the 17th. The Mahadao token sale will be one of the first 3 IDOs conducted on the decentralized fundraising platform, which launches on December 15th. Mahadao is a community-focused DAO with governance ecosystem that utilizes two-token system. The DAO utilizes a two-token system, with MAHA serve as the protocol's governance token and ARTH as its value coin. Now I want us to remember this word value coin. This is a new thing that this project is trying to bring into the space, the value coin. While stablecoins and the dollar, they are pegged against diminish in value due to inflation, ARTH maintains its value, right? So ARTH is the value coin and ARTH maintains its value. This means that a cup of coffee 10 years will cost the same amount of ARTH as it does today. As a value coin, ARTH has been designed to maintain value stability, ensuring that it maintains consistent purchasing power over time. So when we look in certain countries, just for one example, Venezuela has inflated so much, the price has inflated so much that a cup of coffee you would pay for 10 years ago would be a lot more money right now, because the value of the currency dropped so much that their currency over there is worthless. I see people just chucking it on the street because it has no value. So this coin is looking to counteract inflation, and that's going to happen to every currency in the future, right? The dollar is going to go to zero. Every currency is going to go to zero, I believe, in the future, sometime in the future. So this coin is trying to be the first of its kind. We see stablecoin being the first digital the first digital coin that's pegged against the US dollar, right? And now this coin is looking to do something even deeper than stablecoin. It's looking to do a value coin, because stablecoin is pegged against the US dollar. So if the US dollar goes to zero, stablecoin goes to zero. So this value coin, even if the US dollar goes to zero, this value coin will still exist because it's not pegged to the US dollar, and we'll get to that, what it's pegged to in a minute. So it says Stephen Enamakel, founder of Mahadao, said Mahadao is creating the way forward for new kinds of stablecoins to grow. Some of these stablecoins will solve real world problems like inflation in the market, in the fiat markets, and the volatility in crypto. With ARTH, we are launching the Mahadao platform for the world's first value coin. Users can stake assets in Mahadao Vault to create a collateralized debt position, CDP, and mint ARTH. Designed to be more stable than traditional crypto assets, ARTH is backed by a basket of uncorrelated assets. Uncorrelated assets, meaning so this is a big huge deal in terms of the value coin. Uncorrelated assets meaning that it's not all going to the same direction, or it's not going to the same price at the same time. So it's uncorrelated, meaning that there's a good level of arbitrage in between the currencies. So based on the reverse vaults pioneered by Mahadao, the Mahadao Vault acts as a regulator. The Mahadao Vault acts as a regulator to manage collateralized assets and govern the issuance and redemption of ARTH. Once mint, ARTH can be used to interact with DeFi protocols and is suitable for farming, staking, lending, borrowing, saving. The initial Mahadao Vault will contain an index comprising of 80% fiat currency and 80% fiat currency, 50% gold, and 5% BTC. So this is why this is a true value coin, right? So we know that throughout time, gold has been dominant, right? Throughout history, gold has never lost its value. It's always been up there in terms of a valuable asset. And now we see Bitcoin is growing at a rapid rate than even gold. So that's Bitcoin and gold takes up 20% of this index, and 80% is fiat currency. So that's what I was saying. If fiat currency goes to zero, you still got gold and Bitcoin that's backing this new stable coin, this ARTH value coin, right? You can never get rid of gold, and Bitcoin, you will never get rid of Bitcoin. So these two makes it a big value. So these two reasons why this value coin will never go to zero. So it says that this currency is going to be backed by uncorrelated assets. So we're going to see what's going to happen in the future, but basically these three make it a very diversified backing. The fiat currency, the most stable it was when it was backed by gold, right? And we see this currency is going to be backed by gold, it's going to be, and it's going to be backed by Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to be the future of money, future of transaction, the future of technology, the future of everything, right? And this coin is going to be backed by it, and it's going to be backed by gold. So when the dollar was dominant in the world, it was backed by gold, and this coin is going to be even backed by, it's going to be backed by the dollar, 80% of fiat currency, it's going to be backed by gold, and it's going to be backed by BTC. So I can only see big things for this coin. To maintain the one-to-one purchasing power of ARTH value coin, the vault will periodically rebalance buying and selling assets to maintain parity, whereas Mahadao means new DAI as an underlying asset appreciates. Mahadao does the reverse, buying more of the collaterals, thereby increasing the total value of locked assets. During the PokerStarter IDO on December the 17th, the community will have the opportunity to acquire MAHA tokens and stake their claim in the platform's future governance. PokerStarter has been chosen on account of its decentralized design and ability to support cheap transaction and secured ultra fast swaps. Upon completion of the IDO, Mahadao will list on Uniswap and announce details of a liquidity farming program that will incentivize early adopters and launch its governing portal in January. The project will launch its CDP portal, enabling the community to collateralize assets and start minting ARTH value tokens. Mahadao is a stablecoin platform that is governed in a decentralized manner by the MAHA token holders. Its smart contract controlled vault are used to mint ARTH, an innovative new kind of currency backed by the basket of assets. ARTH is designed to counter wealth depreciation by maintaining its purchasing power regardless of the fluctuation in other market assets. So I'm very bullish on this coin, and right now I've just entered the whitelist to get involved in the token sale and the IDO, because I believe this coin is going to be big for the future. And I believe right now the market is moving a bit slow, as we just saw Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin to break this level right now to look on a bullish signal. And before that happens, we got opportunities like these, like with token sales like Mahadao, these coins that's aiming to change the future of inflation, changing the future of, and it's also coming. And another reason why I believe this coin is going to be big, it talks about it's going to be basically suitable for farming, basically good incentive. You'll be offered good incentive for locking up your crypto. So you're locking up MAHA. That's one way taking out of circulation. Staking, another way of taking out of circulation, you will receive a dividends, basically, so to speak, dividends. There's also lending. You can lend your token and also receive interest. You can borrow, so you can lend, borrow, and save. So by doing all these, you're basically taking out the MAHA token out of circulation, and basically when you do that, the value of the coin increases. And anything that is backed by Bitcoin and gold and currency, there you can't fail, right? That's a win-win-win, because some people still believe in the fiat currency. So basically you still got 8% backing by the fiat currency. Some people believe in gold, the gold bugs. You got 15% backing in gold, and some people are ultra crypto, ultra Bitcoin maximalists. So you got 50% backing of Bitcoin. So it's this coin I see cater for all the bases. It caters for everything. So not financial advice, guys, but take a look on this token, Mahadao. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's how I pronounce it, Mahadao or Mahadao. So guys, take a look on this token. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Click the bell notification to receive future videos. So catch you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.